One Kremlin aide don tok say US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin go meet for coming days. Police don gbab one fake nurse wey don see over 4,000 patients before dem catch am for Florida. Dat na small for today tori. Na PidginToriGlobal be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. No forget to like and subscribe, make you turn on notification bell so that you no go miss any of our videos. Also share with your friends, make dem too sabi wetin dey happen for world. Oya, make we enter the gist proper. France dey battle their biggest wildfire since 1949 and the fire never still calm down. E don burn land wey big pass Paris. Officials say the fire slow small overnight, but e still dey active. Over 2,000 firefighters and 500 fire trucks dey all region to fight the fire. Gendarmes and army join body too. Dem don lose one woman and 13 people don injure. 11 of them na firefighters, 2 people dey critical condition, 3 people still dey miss, and many houses don burn down. The fire start Tuesday near Ribot for southern France. Christopher Magny, one of the ogas for the firefighting team, tok say dem dey hope to control am before the day end. 16,000 hectares na im the fire don cover, but e reduce small on Wednesday because breeze calm and weather cool small. Dem even use water-bombing aircraft to fight the fire. People wey dey live there never fit go back home yet. Government open 17 temporary shelters. Strong wind, dry bush and hot sun na wetin make the fire spread fast. President Emmanuel Macron don tok say the whole country resources dey on ground to fight the fire, and im beg people to dey careful. No be only France dey face dis extreme weather wahala. Different parts of Asia dey face serious wahala as weather don go crazy, from heavy rain for China, Pakistan and some areas for India to serious heat wey dey roast Japan and South Korea. Hundreds of people don lost their life because of dis. Na scientists talk say na climate change dey make all dis wahala worse. The rain, heat and drought dey come more often, strong pass before, and e no dey easy to predict. World Meteorological Organization still talk say Asia dey warm almost double the speed of the rest of the world. Since 30 years now, dem don calculate say Asia don lose $2 trillion because of extreme weather, things like flood, heat wave and dry season wey bad. For Japan on Tuesday, dem record 41.8 degrees Celsius for Isesaki City, wey be their hottest day ever. June and July sef hot pass normal. Tokyo report say at least 56 people don lose their life because of heat stroke from June reach end of July. Train services even stop for some places because heat fit bend the rails. For South Korea, dem get 22 nights wey temperature no drop below 25 degrees Celsius for July. Dem call am tropical nights. People dey call emergency lines anyhow because of heat wahala. So government tell workers make dem dress lighter to reduce need for AC. Vietnam sef no carry last. Hanoi just record first ever August day wey pass 40 degrees Celsius. One construction worker talk say the place don turn to palm wey fire dey burn. E be like say hope go dey for Ukraine very soon, as one Kremlin aide don talk say US President Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin go meet for coming days. The meeting fit also include Ukraine President Volodymyr Zelensky, as Trump don talk say e dey very possible say the 3 of them go gather to find solution to the Ukraine war. Trump set one deadline for Russia to agree to ceasefire or face bigger sanctions, and the deadline go expire this Friday. Before now, Trump envoy Steve Witkoff don visit Moscow 4 times to talk peace with Putin. Dem last meet again on Wednesday. Even though Trump always get small hope after every Witkoff visit, the matter no dey move forward. Trump now dey calm as e talk say e no go call am breakthrough. E say young people dey lost their life and so e want make e end. Kremlin adviser Yu Ushakov talk say dem discuss the 3-man summit idea during the Moscow meeting, but Russia no give direct answer. Even though e no confirm anything, e say dem don already agree on location for Trump-Putin meeting and dem go soon announce the full details. Zelensky for im side dey open to the summit idea. E post say real solution go fit happen if leaders sit down together, but E add say dem need to first agree on time and wetin dem wan discuss. US President Donald Trump don activate new tariff wey go affect more than 90 countries. The import tax kick off midnight and Trump post for social media say na midnight billions of dollars from tariffs go dey flow enter the United States of America. India go chop 50% tariff from 27 August unless dem stop to buy oil from Russia. Trump still dey threa ten to put 100% tariff on foreign-made computer chips as e dey push tech companies to invest for America. Apple don respond with new $100 billion US investment. Last week, Trump government release new list of countries wey go face import tax, but dem give deadline of 7 August make countries rush do deal with US. The countries wey don agree better deal with US include UK, Japan, South Korea and EU go dey pay 15% tariff. Trump also raise tariff for Canada from 25% to 35% because of say Canada no dey do enough to stop drugs from to enter US. But most Canadian goods go still escape the tax because of the US-Mexico-Canada Agreement USMCA. Mexico get small breathing space as higher tariff pause for 90 days while dem still dey discuss better trade agreement. Plenty United Airlines passengers for America don suffer delay because one technology gbege make the airline stop flight movement for some big airports. This matter cause wahala for airports like Chicago, Denver, Houston, San Francisco, New Jersey, as United ground all their mainline flights for some time. By around 10 p.m. EDT on Wednesday, United talk say dem don fix the wahala and flights don dey move again, but delay still dey. According to FlightAware, over 700 United flights don delay by 9 p.m. EDT. Flights wey already dey air that time no stop. Dem continue go their destination, but regional flights fit still face delay because traffic don choke. Traffic Secretary Dean Duffy also confirm say United don brief am and the issue no get anything to do with air traffic control for the US. One woman wey dem call Autumn Badisa don land for police hand for Florida as she dey pre ten d say she be registered nurse. Police say Badisa, wey be 29 years old, don treat 4,486 patients between June 2024 and January 2025 before dem discover say she no get real license to be nurse. Advent Health Palm Coast Parkway Hospital bin employ her from July 2023 go reach January 2025. But wahala start when she submit fake documents and use license number wey belong to another nurse wey get the same first name. When dem ask her to explain, she talk say she don marry recently and change her surname, but she no gree bring the marriage paper. For January, the hospital wan promote her, but na that time one of her colleagues check well and see say her nursing assistant's license don expire. Na so dem sack her sharp and begin full investigation. Police come arrest her for her house on August 5th. She even wear scrubs like say she still dey go work. Sheriff Rick Starley say the case na one of the most disturbing medical fraud wey dem don ever handle. Dem charge her with 7 counts of practicing health care without license and another 7 counts of using another person ID. Bank of England don reduce their interest rate from 4.25% go 4% and na the lowest wey e don reach since over 2 years now. This na the 5th time wey dem dey cut the rate since August last year, and this one pass by small margin. Governor Andrew Bailey talk say im believe say the rate go still dey drop small, but im also talk say dem no sure how fast the rate go take drop. This cut fit help people wey get mortgage because e go reduce the money wey dem dey pay monthly, but e fit affect people wey dey save money because interest for savings go reduce too. This na just small guide to wetin the interest rate mean for your pocket. As heat dey return this weekend, one group wey dem dey call Litter-Free Dorset don beg shops for Dorset to stop to sell those disposable barbecue grill. Dem talk say those barbecue dey cause plenty wahala as e dey hard to recycle, e dey wasteful and people dey always throway am while e still dey hot. Na so e dey burn bush, injure people and destroy environment. So far for 2025, dem don record nearly 60 wildfire cases for Dorset and over 65 hectares of land don burn. This Dis one na 41% increase compared to 2024. According to Sophie Clegg from Dorset Heat, fire don affect more places dis year and the damage worse pass before. She say some fires even burn 8 times more bushland than last year. Litter-free Dorset, wey dey under Dorset Council, don dey do community clean-up work, and dem say all dis single-use barbecue don already cause some serious fire incidents wey affect people, animals and economy. Some big stores don already stop to dey sell the barbecue. Plus, dem don ban barbecue and campfire for many forest and heat areas for Dorset. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.